Hello, good evening. I am Edward John Del Barrio, um, one of the group member of from VSIS 40, Set B, and I'm here to present our dataset from Kaggle, which is entitled the Sources Forecasting Dataset Analysis. Starting from the libraries that we use, uh, bali yung mga in-import namin dito is, for example, one is pandas as PD and NumPy as NP. This library is for data manipulation. And then we import the matplotlib uh, pilot as PLT. Uh, Siya yung magiging natin for data visualization later. We can use the charts, something, somewhat, whatever. And then import Seaborn as an SNS for another visualization. Then next is we create a data frame or DF. Then pinasa lang namin yung value na pandas that i-read yung CSV na nasa Kaggle. And then after that, we proceed for data cleaning and processing. Unang ginawa namin is pinrint muna namin yung head to ensure kung ano yung uh, mga may kulang or may mga something anomalies na sa column or dataset na makaka-apekto sa pag-visualize ng data. Ganun din here, df.info. Um, Tinignan lang namin kung uh, is there something wrong with the data types and then columns. Next is let's proceed for data cleaning. Bali here, kinonvert lang namin yung order date and ship date or nag-create kami ng another column um, for date and time na uh, para ma-recognize sa as date to time. And then pinprint lang namin yung df.data types to ensure na nagbago yung data type ng order date and ship date. But here, next is df.isnull and .sum. Here naman, chine-check lang namin yung mga missing values to ensure there are no missing values. Next is, pinasa lang namin yung panibagong data frame for um, if may mga duplicates is ida-draft to maintain the data integrity. Let's proceed for data visualization. Bali here, nag-create lang kami ng variable na region sales para sa pagpa-plot ng data visualization later sa matplotlib. Here naman, group by lang namin yung region and sales. That's sum, then reset yung index. Bale, aggregate lang namin yung total sales for each region. Then, as you can see, we plot it in pie chart that visualize sales distribution across regions in pie chart. So you can see east, south, central, and west. Next is sales by subcategory. So here um, we create another variable ulit, subcategories sales for ano naman for pagpa-plot ulit ng later, and then bali group by lang naman ulit yung subcategory and sales, then that's sum that reset index. So bali in-aggregate namin yung total sales for each subcategory, and then we plot it using bar chart to visualize sales distribution across different subcategories. As you can see, ang pinakamataas is chairs with uh, 30 or 300,000 sales. Let's proceed for subcategory versus profit. Here sa calculation, bale, inuna namin yung calculation before kami mag-set up ng uh, figure. So here we create another variable subcategory that's stats, and then we compute these statistics per profits in each category, like subcategory for like mean profit and STD that dev dot profit. And then for bar chart, with error bars, we visualize the average profit with the error bars representing standard deviation. Ang nakuha namin is pinakamataas is chairs and bookcases. Moving on, delivery delivery time versus profit. So here, we calculate ulit or nag-create muna kami ng panibagong column, which is delivery time. And then we add, we compute the difference between ship and order dates. And then um, nag-create lang kami here ng condition. Um, yung color na red is if profit is less than to 0, and then kapag green naman is for profit in the data frame na profit. Bali, yung ginamit namin dito na data visualization is uh, scatter plot. Bali, we display the relationship between the delivery time and profit, color coded by red and red for negative and green for positive. So you can see, pinakamataas namin is 1,000. Next is sales versus profit. Here naman, inuna namin yung pag-create ng figure or ng size ng figure. Bale, plt.figure that fig size by 12 by 8 or 12 by 8 yung height. And then, next is nag-calculate or nag-proceed kami for calculation. Bale, nag-create kami ng variable na sales median, and then pinasa lang namin yung variable yung data frame na sales, doon kinol namin yung dot median. Then here is dinadetermine namin yung median and standard deviation for both sales and profit. Next is we visualize key statistics. Nag-add kami ng lines and shaded regions for median and mean, and standard deviation for plot. So as you can see, here is our data visualization for sales and profit. Um, that's all. Thank you. Um, that's that's all for our final project, which is entitled Store Sales Forecasting Dataset Analysis. Thank you.